welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. If you guys are new here or you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you guys make sure you subscribe before you leave, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. So today I'm doing a review video for you guys of this 18-inch LED ring light. So if you want to know more about this ring light, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so I was sent this ring light. This is by the brand, I'm not exactly sure how to say it, ZOMEI or something. It's ZOMEI. It came in this really cool case, and this is the name. Like I said, I don't know how to say it, but it came in this really cool case, and it has this shoulder strap and then these two little straps. And when you open it up, it has like two separate sides, so you can put like the tripod in one side and the ring light in the other. Really, really cool case. It also came with the two, I'm not actually sure what you call those, filters, I guess. The little plastic filters. It came with the orange ones and then the white ones, which I have on the light right now, which gives it a little bit more of a natural light. These are really, really easy to use. You just snap these right on the ring light, and I will show you that in just a minute. Also, it has all of these instructions for you to go by, which were super, super simple to put everything together. It comes with a really nice tripod, and on that tripod, it has a little adapter for you to attach your camera, or, which is really cool, has this little adapter for your cell phone. So you can screw this on either way and attach it to put your cell phone in there and do your videos with a cell phone. So I think that was a really cool gadget that it comes with. It also leans in and out, so you can change the direction of the light. So the light that it gives off is really cool. I don't even have the light all the way up. Let me show you guys. This is gonna get crazy. Okay, well, we're gonna go all the way down first. So, okay, that's off. And that's on, and then step by step has little clicks on the dial, and it'll turn up, and it gets super bright, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is at its brightest setting, which is crazy bright. So if you have no natural light or other lighting, this is going to be perfect for you. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it back down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clip on the little filters. These are super easy. Like I said, they just snap right on, and then they have these little grooves that they fit into. So like one goes on top of the other so that it's kind of clicked into place, which is really cool. So let me go ahead and show you guys that. Alright guys, so don't mind my messy desk, but this is the back of the ring light, and this is the little adapter that your camera will screw onto, and it does swivel so you can change the direction of your camera. And this is the back of the light. So let's see, it's 55 watt, and then right here, why are you not focusing? Right here is the on-off and the dimmer. So this is what you would twist to turn it on and off and make it brighter. So that is super, super simple. Okay, so these just, like I said, clip right on. So I start with this bottom one. And snap it on. And then these have the little groove like I was telling you about. So this one kind of slides in right behind that one. And then you just snap it in. So that is what it looks like with the kind of a warmer filter on, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like using this light. Okay, so now I have that filter on. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and this is all the way bright, and then we'll kind of tone it down a little bit. So this is the light with that orange filter on it, just kind of a warmer light if you like that. So yeah, that's that. Alright guys, well this is an awesome ring light for the price. This is on Amazon for $139.99, which I think is really cool. And if you have Amazon Prime, you're going to get free 2-day shipping, so it's going to get to you super quick. And just with all the attachments and this little cell phone attachment, I think that's really cool to have, because a lot of people don't use a camera to film, they use their cell phone, so I think that's really cool. And then just all the instructions instructions and the tilting, everything that it does I think is just really, really cool, and it comes with a really nice sturdy tripod. So I think bang for the buck, I think this is a really good deal. So alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.